So we are now going to take a look here at this Nitecore flashlight. This is the T4K and this is super powerful. We got up to 4000 lumens on this flashlight. There's a display that shows you the lumen output. It also shows you the remaining runtime and also the voltage, the battery status, the level, and we also have two different lockout modes. So truly many different features on this light here. There is a USB-C charging port here on the tail and also a solid belt clip. And now we can see the lumen level here, 1 lumen and 66 hours and 26 minutes remaining runtime, level 1. Level 2, 15 lumens, level 3, 65 lumens, level 4, 200 lumens, and it goes back to level 1. Keep holding the switch and you go to turbo instantly to 4000 lumens. You got about 10 seconds in turbo, but you do have the ability to go back to turbo once again or multiple times in a row. Just be aware that as soon as the flashlight is warm, you will not get the full turbo runtime. So you will have to wait until it has cooled down a bit and then you can go back and use the turbo for its entire duration. We are now gonna check it again, turbo instantly. I believe it's probably not gonna be, yeah it is, actually it is, about those 10 seconds. So yeah, it is not really so warm yet, but once it has been used a few times in turbo, of course you're not gonna get the full runtime in turbo until it has cooled down. So now you see the voltage when the light is off. Press the mode switch and you can see the voltage, the battery status, and also the level in which it is gonna start when you press the main switch. Now for example, when we switch it off in 65 lumens, it's gonna save those 65 lumens, but you still have the ability to go to low mode instantly when the light is off. So just press and hold the main switch and you can start in 1 lumens or in 1 lumen, and when it is off, press and hold the mode switch and you go to turbo instantly. So basically we have an instant turbo and we have an instant low, and you can also go back to the previously used setting. So truly, in my opinion, a super great user interface, very direct, fast. I would say once you know it, it is very simple. In the beginning probably you will have to study the user manual to really discover all those features. There are 2 different lockout modes, lockout 1 and lockout 2. So the lockout 2 is a complete lockout, which lockouts both switches. The lockout 1, that means you will still have the access to turbo. Now it is unlocked. Nice display. I really like the ability to see the voltage and also the remaining runtime, the lumen output. It is very portable, great solid belt clip. That is something that I really appreciate here, or basically on all lights when you have such a belt clip here. Very robust, very durable, and yeah, you can just easily recharge it with the USB-C charging port. This is the T4K from Nitecore, and we are going to take a look at some specifications here on the package. Max 4000 lumens, 209 meters beam distance, 10,900 candelas. That's about it here. T4K from Nitecore. Now be aware that when it comes to the lumen levels, it goes up from 1 to 2 or basically to 15, 65, 200, and then from 200 it's gonna go up to 4000 lumens when you keep holding the mains or the mode switch. So there is not any level between 200 and 4000. I would say due to the fact that it is anyways gonna heat up quite quickly when you go up or over 200 lumens, I would say yeah, it's not such an issue, but it could sometimes be helpful if there was another level with, for example, about 1000 lumens. But it's probably easier, yeah, just with the user interface like they did it. So when you use 200 lumens, in my experience, it didn't overheat. It got warm, but not really hot. So I think it should be possible to run it with 200 lumens without any step down. And so probably it's, for most users, it's fine. I guess there can be some customers who would probably wish that there was another lumen level between 200 and 4000, but I think regularly when you use this light on a daily basis, you probably just don't want to go over 200 lumens because of the battery capacity. It would of course drain the battery, and it will also get warm. So I think it's great like they did it here. So just, yeah, that's something that you got to be aware of, because I think there are going to be some people who would then be surprised when they don't find any level, any brightness between 200 and 4000 lumens. For me, so far, I would say it's fine. I like it. Definitely a recommendation here, this flashlight. Great user interface, display, USB-C charging port, solid belt clip, the tiny, or no, that it's the T4K. And yeah, there is the Tiny 2 from Nitecore, which is almost the same. It has the same user interface, the same display. So you also have a lot of possibilities there with that keychain flashlight. I believe they also published this one as a keychain flashlight. In my opinion, it's probably a bit too large as a keychain light, but truly a great EDC light to wear on your belt. The T4K, thank you for watching, and the link to the online store is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to your message, and of course, depending on your location, also to your order. See you soon in the next video.